Good evening and welcome to Jim Money's World of Weather. You clicked onto Long Range Weather Forecast discussion for June 9th to the 21st. For the period June 9th to 13th, the pattern is forecast to feature a ridge near the Davis Strait and a retrograding ridge over the Northeast Pacific. This will result in a buckled zonal flow across the nation. The pattern will result in an active weather pattern across the east central states. A thermal trough and intense heat is anticipated for the Sacramento and San Joaquin Valley through Tuesday, with some slight cooling by Wednesday. Expect temperatures between 5 to 15 degrees above normal. Now we're going to look at the period for June 12th to the 16th. This is the GFS. Most of the models are forecasting at the beginning of the period, it's forecasting a ridge here and a ridge over this area, and we have a trough here, but through time eventually we see a trough here with a ridge in the west. So I'm going to look now. This is the GFS. We go to the 13th, 14th, and there we go. This is the 15th. And we have a ridge here, a trough here across the northwest, western Canada, and we have a ridge here. And also, most of the models are showing below normal heights across the Gulf. So that's the GFS. Now we're going to look at the GFS ensembles. And one thing to show here, this is the one thing I want to show. You notice that there's a zone of flow across much of the nation with above normal heights, building into the western U.S., northwest, and across the northeast. So we're going to look at the deterministics, and this is what happened to the European ensembles. I'm having trouble with the models right now. Okay, so during this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region for precipitation. Forecasting below normal precipitation across this area, above normal precipitation here. Now we're going to look at the period for June 17th and 21st. And we're going to go now to the 17th. And you can see most of the models are indicating a little change. This is a GFS. And it's showing a trough here, fairly deep trough. It's more amplified and a pretty deep ridge over the northeast and eastern Canada. And the European is depicting the European ensembles. I don't know what is going on, are more amplified than the other models. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and above normal temperatures for this region. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this area. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for June 9th to the 21st. Thank you for coming to Jim Money's World of Weather, and have a good day.